Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how Spectrum Wi-Fi ports actually work and why they are so good at fixing weak internet areas in your home. So if your Wi-Fi is strong near the router but bad in bedrooms, upstairs or far rooms, this will help you understand exactly what ports do. So first of all, you can think of the Spectrum ports as a smart Wi-Fi helper. When you plug a port into the wall outlet, it is going to basically connect wirelessly to your main Spectrum router. It is going to take the strong Wi-Fi signal from the router and it is going to basically passes it forward into the areas where the signal normally becomes weak. So instead of your phone or TV trying to reach the router far away, it is going to connect to the nearest port with a stronger signal. So this instantly improves the speed and the stability in those rooms. Now here is what makes Spectrum ports better than the old Wi-Fi extenders. So first of all, they don't just boost the signals blindly. They constantly check which port has the strongest connection, which path is fastest, and where the device is located. Then they will automatically basically route your internet through the best connection. You don't need to switch the networks or reconnect. Everything happens smoothly in the background. So this is why the Spectrum ports are great at removing the dead zones. The Wi-Fi usually weakens through the walls, the floors, or distance. So by placing these ports halfway between strong and the weak areas, they fill those gaps with fresh signal. So the room that used to buffer or disconnect suddenly gets strong internet. Another big benefit, or I would say the third point, is the stability that it is going to provide you. Instead of having great speed near the router, terrible speed far away, you get a more even connection throughout your home. So streaming becomes smoother, the video calls drop less, and browsing feels faster everywhere. So that's how the Spectrum ports work. They connect to your router, they extend the signal intelligently and remove the dead zones and even keep your Wi-Fi strong across your home. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.